Welcome to Jezel's Meadow. We are a small local organic farm that specializes in a variety of microgreens. Along our health journey, we discovered microgreens. If you're not familiar with them, we would like to introduce them to you.
Microgreens are vegetables in their adolescent stage. They're up to 40 times more nutrient dense and packed full of flavor. They're superfoods. We look forward to being a part of your health and wellness journey.
Thank you for supporting our local family-owned business. From my garden to your table, de mi casa a su casa.
Microgreens are healthy and nutritious and delicious.